Alright guys, Litecoin daily chart, interesting developments we had here just yesterday. I was talking about the potential on the downside still, right? And I was talking about the short-term level right now, local support at 52.36. And we noticed that price was engaging with that level from above, but we knew that in order to, well, keep going downwards, it would have to break that level, right? And it did that just yesterday. Now I want to remind you, this is a daily chart, this is a daily close. It could be an excess noise here on the downside, but so you should, on face value, you should take this as a preliminary indication that this level actually got broken. In this case, I think it's going to be a genuine breakdown, actually. And you can see that price begins the breakaway, right? It begins to move away from that 52.36. Now, we're looking at this from a short-term perspective, which means that the target is going to be pretty close, right? So we have that 49.05, right? That's pretty close, 2.5 points. This level happens to be just the previous low, right? That spike here. In terms of downside potential, I would say you can aim all the way to 46. That's the bottom key level of this particular setup that we are trading within right now. So 46 may actually be a good target to try and establish a short position on the Litecoin, or try to pick up the Litecoin once it does reach these low levels, right? So I would suggest, if you were looking to pick up some Litecoin here, you would probably want to have price taking the previous low, dipping into the lower section, possibly even touching base with the bottom key level, and only if it shows resilience on that on these levels and begin a visible turnaround, that's where we would probably establish a bullish position, re-establish our bullish position on Litecoin. At this point, however, if there's anything we're going to establish is a short position aiming at 49.05 to begin with. All right, just to refresh your memory, once we noticed that price was unable to break above that 68.40, remember that 68.40 level, that was our main point of reference when we actually were on the upside. So I was ready to pull the trigger massively and establish a huge position on the Litecoin if it was successful breaking that 68.40. But as you can see, and you probably remember, it completely failed. And from that point on, take a look at what's going on, right? That was a huge failure here on that 68.40. Anyway, right now we're breaking below 52.36, looking pretty grim on Litecoin. Bearish outlook is still very much alive and kicking. Now that's what we got for you. Litecoin bearish outlook. That's about that for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.